Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, is a nutrient-packed plant that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Its leaves, pods, and seeds are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, offering numerous health benefits. Here are 10 scientifically backed health benefits of moringa, and details on how to incorporate it into your diet. Rich in nutrients, moringa leaves are highly nutritious, containing significant amounts of vitamins A, C, and E, calcium, potassium, and protein.
According to a study published in the Moringa leaves have a higher nutrient content than many common vegetables, making them a valuable addition to the diet.
Powerful antioxidants. Moringa is packed with antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid.
These compounds help fight free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Research published in the found that moringa leaf powder has potent antioxidant properties that can improve health and prevent diseases.
Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease and cancer.
Moringa contains anti-inflammatory compounds such as isothiocyanates. A study in the demonstrated that moringa leaf extract could significantly reduce inflammation.
Lowers blood sugar levels. Moringa has been shown to lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes.
A study published in The found that adding moringa leaf powder to meals reduced blood sugar levels by up to 21%. Reduces cholesterol. High cholesterol is a risk factor for heart disease.
Research in the indicated that moringa could reduce cholesterol levels, helping to lower the risk of heart disease. Protects against arsenic toxicity. Arsenic contamination in food and water is a global health concern.
Animal studies, such as one published in the E, have shown that moringa leaves can protect against arsenic toxicity. Supports brain health. Moringa is rich in antioxidants and neuroenhancers, which can improve brain function and mental health. Speaker 1. A study in the found that moringa's high content of vitamins E and C helps combat oxidative stress associated with Alzheimer's disease. Promotes liver health. Moringa helps protect the liver against damage caused by toxins and enhances its function. Speaker 1. Research in the highlighted moringa's hepatoprotective effects, which are beneficial in preventing liver diseases.
Improves digestive health.
The high fiber content in moringa aids in digestion and prevents constipation.
Additionally, moringa's anti-inflammatory properties can help treat digestive disorders.
A study in the
Emphasized its role in improving digestive health.
Boosts immunity. Moringa's rich nutritional profile supports the immune system.
A study in the demonstrated that moringa enhances immune response, making it effective in fighting infections and diseases.
How to consume moringa. Moringa can be consumed in various forms, each providing unique benefits. Here are some popular ways to include moringa in your diet. Moringa leaf powder. Add a teaspoon of moringa leaf powder to smoothies, juices, or yogurt. It can also be mixed into soups, sauces, and baked goods. Fresh moringa leaves. Use fresh leaves in salads or cook them like spinach. They can also be added to soups and stews. Moringa capsules. For a convenient option, take moringa supplements in capsule form. Follow the recommended dosage on the packaging. Moringa tea. Steep dried moringa leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes to make a refreshing tea. Add honey or lemon for flavor. Moringa seeds. Consume moringa seeds raw, roasted, or cooked. They can be added to dishes like stir-fries and curries. By incorporating moringa into your diet, you can enjoy its numerous health benefits and support your overall well-being. Moringa is truly a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits, from boosting immunity and lowering blood sugar levels to protecting against inflammation and supporting brain health. The evidence-based benefits of moringa make it a valuable addition to any diet. By incorporating moringa in various forms, such as leaf powder, fresh leaves, capsules, tea, and seeds, you can enhance your health and well-being in numerous ways. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health and wellness content. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below sharing your experiences with moringa or any questions you might have. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching.